Hi there, Brandt here, and I get questions just about every single day of, does my membership include this, and what site do I go to for this? And lots of people get very confused, and I understand. But if you take a minute to watch this video and look at the options on this page, I think you'll see that things are pretty clear of where they are. Understand that not one program, not one membership really applies to everybody, which is why we have different things. Now, I've been a photographer going on 26 years, and I do have endless ideas, but I try to keep things really focused on the areas that they belong. So in this video, I'm going to explain really quick on all of the different offerings that we have. Right now, you are on the Anna Brandt Education page and you're looking at this video, or maybe you're watching it from social media or from YouTube. Either way, there's a link to this page that has a list of all of the different memberships. The first one you'll see is the Platinum membership, which is an upgrade if you have an existing membership. We're going to go back to that in a minute. Belly Baby School is my longtime online educational platform. I've been teaching online for, almost 15 years now. There are over 2,000 videos in this school. It's on-demand learning. You can simply click here, purchase any course individually, or many of you have lifetime access, which gives you access to all existing courses and all future courses for the school. Okay, now the courses in here: maternity, newborn, editing, marketing, wrapping. You can see all of them. All right, let's go back. AI Creative Collective. This is the very first and main AI site that I created over 2 years ago, in which it has well over 78, I think we're into the over 80 tutorials now, over 2,000 images. We have a Discord community. We have a Facebook group. This site is training for Midjourney, Claude, ChatGPT. There is only one fee. It's a lifetime access. This is focusing on Midjourney as how to create images, how to use prompts, how to edit them. And so there's no links. Let's add a link. And so I want people to understand that if I say something else AI, it doesn't mean it's this site. So a lot of people think that this site includes every single type of AI. Understand there's thousands of AI programs. We can't possibly put them all into one site. So this site is my it's really the only AI site that I have where it's only based on AI. So this is where all you have to do is log in, go to members area, and you can go to AI Creative, in which there are 3 seasons. Many times I'll talk about season 2, season 3. I just added things in season 3. I added Lunar New Year, and that's where you go for the lesson as well as the downloads. There's also an area for my library that has thousands and thousands of images that you can download. So usually these are associated with lessons that I've done. And there's different types of things in here. Okay, so this is focusing on Midjourney and the related technologies for it. Very, very important. Okay, now let's go back. The next one down here is Digital Baby Academy. This is relatively new. This is not just for photographers. This is for anyone. We have people that are not photographers that are in our Digital Baby Academy. This started with how to be a digital creator. Well, actually, no, it started with providing courses or products for other people to resell. So if you click on here, find products to resell. If you're in the digital space, meaning you sell other people's content or your own content, the MRR market, PLR market is huge. It's in the billions, where a lot of people just do nothing but sell like done for you products. That's what this is. So I don't know if there's really many newborn photographers doing this, but it's basically you can buy these items. It includes the rights to resell. So you can put this on your site and resell it 1,000 times, and you retain 100% of the product. Oh my gosh, 100% of the profit. Now, we then went and created a course, just a simple course on how to be a digital creator. And this was the first round We really wanted to let people know that you can monetize your mind, that you can, if you have a skill set, if you have knowledge, if you have information that other people can benefit from, whether it's AI or not, whether you're sitting down with a pen and paper and writing your idea and writing a course or selling a how-to guide or selling your recipes, that's what this site is. A lot of people are confusing this with AI Creative Collective because they hear there's some AI in it. And so if they hear there's AI, they're like, I must be included because I signed up for the AI Creative Collective 2 years ago. But this is not that. Yes, of course, there's parts of AI in here because we can't escape AI. AI is in every breath of our being and fiber and threads of our clothes. It is going to be everywhere. So we just need to understand the technology and what's happening in the world. However, if you're never even gone into Midjourney or anything, you'll learn a lot in here. Then we opened up round 2, and round 2 is the creations. It started on January 30th, which was yesterday. Today is January 31st. So if you're watching this a month from now, I'm sure there'll be many other topics in here. But it started with me because I wanted to create different variations of my headshot based on a traditional headshot photo shoot, and I decided let's go one step further in round 2 and teach people how to use AI and other tools to create amazing things that you can monetize. And so this image is AI. And I wrote an article about top 10 reasons photographers should learn. I do have non-photographers in this course. If you paid for one, it includes 2. It's just that simple. Okay. All right. So that is not included in the AI Creative Collective because it's a different beast. It's just a different beast. If you're someone that you want to make more money, if you're someone that says, I feel like I want to expand my reach, I want to have other things to sell besides whatever my day job is, or I want to enhance my existing job and create new tools, that's the Digital Baby Academy. Okay. Our creative dreams. You may say, I don't want to learn AI. I don't want to source. I don't want to do Midjourney, but I love some of the images that Anna posts. I dabble, I play around, and I want some of these images. Whether you want to print these backdrops, whether you want to use them in digital collections, that's what our creative dreams is. And we were originally selling image by image like a lot of creative people do, but thousands of images later, I can sell you a library of 2,000 images at $5 each, or I can just create one fee and whatever I come up with my mind, whatever I put in here, you get. And so that's kind of why I did that. You can buy our mini packs. Sometimes people like to go in and just buy little collections. You can do that. You don't have to have a membership, but the membership includes thousands of images. Anything I create, I put in here. Now, then a lot of people go, well, I'm already in the AI Creative Collective and I have her images there. Does this include all of those? Yes and no. In the very beginning, there were images on both sites, but now I'm making sure that I create different set of images for Creative Dreams and different set for the AI Creative Collective. Understand that I have people that are not photographers buy from this site. Probably over half. I have clients, I have people that are not photographers in any way, shape, or form, are not doing Midjourney, buy from our Creative Dreams. Clients, teachers, educators, all sorts of people, kids. So just because you're in the AI Creative Collective site, it doesn't mean you have this included, okay? So Anna Brandt Member app is my longest standing app. I've had this for years. It's an online community like any other membership, but it's not on Facebook. And so it's an app on your phone and you can talk with other members. We did a marketing boot camp for 30 days, 2 years in a row. We have private podcasts. We have my contracts, my forms, my templates, a lot of things that I use for my business, my client prep guide. All of that is in the member app. Are there some things in here that are probably in the Belly Baby School? Like maybe a couple, but not really a lot. That's course-based. This is community-based. And it's just to have a community off Facebook. Believe it or not everybody is on Facebook. Okay, so we come down and that just kind of shows you all of the many different main memberships that I have. I've also included links to our store, our workshops, and everything else on this page as you scroll down. Let's go back to the Platinum membership. Basically, this is kind of an upgrade. So if you already have a membership for me, and this will include, the upgrade includes the accountability that starts in April where it's a weekly Zoom. any future Zooms or private lives that I do, because many times I'll just come up with a Zoom or a live or an online program, and some of my members were like, can't we have one fee? That's what this is. So if I create any future webinar, any online kind of guide or book that's from this moment on, that's included, as well as all of the content in Our Creative Dreams and all of the content in Modern Wall Guides. That alone is worth it. I have these wall templates and mood boards, and I recently uploaded hallways and an OBGYN display. Members, platinum members, get access to everything here, as well as Our Creative Dreams that I just showed you, as well as 50% off any future in-person workshop at Anna Brandt Education or the Anna Brandt World Tour 2025. It does not include Baby University, Digital Academy, the AI Creative Collective, or just workshops in general, but it gives 50% off. Huge. I mean, it pays for itself. Now, there is a level 2. The only difference with level 2 is it includes everything, but it also gives you lifetime access to the school. So if you're not a lifetime member of Belly Baby School, which is our courses, you would choose level 2 because it gives you everything. We have a lot of longtime members that are they just have this platinum upgrade, and then that way they know when I introduce something that it's already there. They don't have to worry about spending more money. So that's it. I'm hoping that this little membership guide explains my many online worlds. I know it's a lot, and you need to just decide where you are in your career and what's going to benefit you, where, when, why, and how. Any further questions, please reach out to myself or Jasmine. The emails are on this page. As far as discounts, I'm really trying not to put discounts online anymore in Facebook in email, because they expire and then people don't use them and then they want them renewed, and it's just this ongoing battle. And so I just recently decided that if you would like a discount, send me an email directly at annabrandt.com. If I can give you one, I will. Understand there's no refunds if you paid for something full price and then it goes on sale. That's just the nature of the beast. I miss sales all the time. But if you haven't bought something and you're really interested in it, just ask me, hey, Anna, is there a discount? The only rule on that is if I give you a code, it must be used within the hour, because I can't keep track of people who want discounts but don't use them, which, believe it or not, it happens. People ask me for discounts all the time, and then we make codes and they don't use them, or we create sales, they expire, people forget. So now going into 2025, I just decided if you want a discount, if you want to see if there's any promo, just email me. I'll tell you yes or no. If I say yes and give you a code, you have an hour to use it. So in my opinion, if you're ready to buy, that is great for you. If you're not, no harm, no foul. So I'm Anna Brandt. I'm hoping and praying that this helps you. I realize my world may seem confusing to you, but in my mind, it makes total sense. I'm a growing, learning photographer, just like all of you, going into my 26th year of business. I have clients almost every day, 4 days out of 7. I travel and I try to teach and mentor as much as possible, because I didn't have anyone teach or mentor me, and I know how frustrating this space can be. I'm here to help. Any questions, please reach out.